The South Sudanese ambassador to Kenya, Anthony Lewiscon, is asking the Kenyan government to make it easier for South Sudanese traders to do business. He said the current rules and costs are too high and are hurting business from South Sudan. One of the biggest problems is the custom bond fee. This is money that traders must pay to make sure their goods reach South Sudan safely through Kenya. Ambassador Kon said the bond fee is very expensive and many traders cannot afford it. This is one of the biggest challenges we face in trading through Kenya, Kon said. Our traders are struggling. The fee is too much. Ambassador Kon spoke during a meeting with Regina Obam, the principal secretary at Kenya Ministry of Investment, Trade and Industry. He said the meeting was important to discuss how South Sudan and Kenya can solve this problem together. We must support South Sudanese business so they can grow and compete, Kon said. He also talked about the trade imbalance. Kenya send many goods to South Sudan, but South Sudanese send very little back, he said. This must change by helping South Sudanese companies produce and export more goods. Ambassador Kon listed other problems that make business hard for South Sudanese traders. Goods are often delayed at the border or at the port of Mombasa. There are high charges for using storage and transport services. There is too much paperwork which slows everything down. All these issues make life harder for our traders. We need faster system. However, lower costs and fewer forms to fill. He said these are demanding. To fix this issue, the ambassador suggested that South Sudan and Kenya should sign a memorandum of understanding. This agreement would help the two countries work together in organizing trade events, reducing costs and sharing information. This will make it easier for both countries to do business, he said. Ambassador Kon said Kenya is a key trade partner for South Sudan. He called the port of Mombasa and the northern corridor a lifeline that connects South Sudan to the world. These roads and ports are not just transport routes, they are lifeline for our economy and our people, he said. The ambassador ended by asking Kenya to find a real solution to help South Sudanese traders. He said this is the only way to build a strong economic partnership between the two countries. Let's support each other and build a future where trade helps both our people. If you are new to my channel, please I would like you to help me by subscribing and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching and listening.